Hi, welcome to Oratech, the integration solution provider for building automation projects. In a building, there are several subsystems that provide services to the users in general. Those subsystems are isolated and speaks their own protocols. We can find HVAC, security, lighting, electric vehicles charging points, safety, metering, and many others. When a building management systems takes place, it's necessary to install communication interfaces that translate the protocol from each subsystem and convert it to a standard, like ASCII, BACnet, Modbus, or KNX, that the BMS can understand. Making available all the variables from the different field devices to be controlled efficiently in a bidirectional way with the flexibility to adapt, not only to the field device's protocol, but to the number of points that will be integrated. With Oratech, you will find a solution partner for each one of your projects. With our protocol translators covering the main standards from the market and offering certified hardware devices, our HVAC interfaces, developed with the collaboration of the manufacturers, offers reliability in the integration process and energy efficiency functions, and the cloud solutions to control HVAC units BACnet or Modbus devices from any mobile phone and web interface. That's what we do. We provide advanced gateways for system integration.